Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how to fix easy anti-cheat not installed on Steam games. So if your game won't launch, you need to first go ahead and open your Steam. Then after go to the library from the left-hand side of the screen, which is between store and community. Here, find and click on the game that's causing the error. Right click on it and select manage. Then select browse local files. This will open your file explorer. Inside this folder, locate and open the anti-cheat folder. This file helps install or repair the anti-cheat system. Right-click on it and select Show More options. Then click on Create Shortcut. Right-click on the newly created shortcut and go to the Properties. In the target box, go to very end of the text and press the spacebar once and type the following exact command. Then click on Apply and then click on OK. Now right-click on the shortcut again and select Run as Administrator. Running as an administrator is crucial because it grants the necessary permissions to install the files. And after installation finishes, try launching your game again. You also can go ahead and verify the integrity of the game files. Right-click on that specific game, go to Properties, then after go to the installed files from the left-hand side and select Verify integrity of the game files. This will scan your game and automatically fix any missing or corrupted files. And once the process is complete, launch your game again, and the issue should now be resolved. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.